And viewers, welcome back to another tutorial on Vroid. In this video, we'll be making a simple one, which is importing and exporting the texture. In other words, the little design on the clothing. Let's get to it. So in this location, you just have to go to texture. Whenever it feels like loading. Then choose any part of the clothing that you want to make or direction you would like to modify. In my case, I have a simple one. It's pretty noticeable either way. I'll just be selecting over here in the script. You see here where it says default image. Make sure that it is in the right section of this, to avoid confusion. You see the little button over here that has a plus sign on it? This will add a new layer, but to export, just make a right click and you have the import and then export. To export, you just click here and it'll be showing you like a PNG. See, it will tell you where to save it. Just remember what you actually did. Because later, after you finish modifying it, keep it on Vroid. Don't go export it to Unity, so then you actually import the clothing, because it's gonna be complicated, maybe slightly. It's better to do it in one software and then just to convert to the other would be much easier. Anyway, since I already have a texture done like this, I just make a right click and then go to here where it says import. Now I'll just look for it. Once you select it, it'll actually appear like this. This is actually mine, but it'll be imported as a layer. Right now it doesn't look like it's actually a layer, but after you save the file and then you re-upload, it will actually appear like this. You can still play around with it. It's gonna be a slight change just to, an autocorrect feature to avoid, deleting the original texture. Now I'll do this one more time just to remember it, so you can actually remember, right? Say default image, make sure that it's actually there. Right click, first export, so you can then modify the entire texture, which is the clothing, in which software you actually have. After you finish, it says import. You actually have to remember where you place it. If you don't, then you'll not find it. And it will actually appear like this. Sure, mine's way unusual. In reality, it doesn't even fit well. It does not look good. But either way, this is how you actually make it. In reality, it's actually a small improvement. It's nothing over complicated or anything like that. Because then it will be a long process to actually export it and all of that. It goes on and on. Alright? So that should be all from this tutorial. You can share it, press that subscribe button. comment if you want to, if you like the video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.